Hello everyone, I am Shivam and I am learning English through ChatGPT. So I have created a paragraph in the ChatGPT. So let's start. I have created a paragraph. I am going to read this paragraph. So I am just practicing my pronunciation. So let's start the paragraph. The superpower of speaking English, why it changes everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are watching this, chances are you are already on your journey to learning English, or maybe you are trying to find this that spark of motivation to finally take it seriously. Today, we are going to dive deep into a topic that can generally alter the course of your life, the incredible, undeniable benefits of being able to speak English fluently. Now, we all know that English is often called a global language, but what does that actually means for you on a practical day-to-day level? It's easy to look at English as just another subject you had to study in school, or just another tedious item on your to-do list. But I want to challenge you to shift your perspective today. Don't look at English as a core. Look at it as a key that unlocks doors to rooms you didn't even know existed. When you learn to speak English, you are not just memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary words. You are acquiring a superpower that expands your word exponentially. Let's start with the most obvious and immediate benefit, your career and financial future. We live in an hyper connected global economy. Companies are no longer conformed by geographic borders, whether you want to work for a massive tech giant in Silicon Valley, a creative agency in London, or a growing startup right in your hometown. English is the default operating system of international business. When you can speak English confidently, you instantly transform yourself from a local job candidate into a global asset. It allows you to participate in meetings, lead projects, negotiate deals, and network with professionals from every corner of the earth. Studies consistently show that bilingual individuals, especially those fluent in English, earn significantly higher salaries than their peers. It opens up the world of remote work, allowing you to live in your home country while earning an income from international clients. In short, English gives you professional leverage, but the benefits go far beyond just a paycheck. Let's talk about the world of information and personal growth. Think about the internet. It is the largest repository of human knowledge in history. And guess what? Language dominates it. Over half of all digital content is written in English. The most cutting edge research, the newest software, documentation, the most comprehensive online courses, and the most influential books are almost always published in English first. If you rely solely on translation, you are essentially looking at the world through a foggy window, waiting for someone else to interpret the dead data for you of 10 years after it was originally created. By speaking and understanding English, you gain direct, unfiltered access to the absolute frontier of human thought. You can learn anything from coding to philosophy straight from the source. Beyond professional and intellectual growth, there is a profound human element to this connection and travel. Imagine traveling to a foreign country, say Japan, Brazil, or Germany. If you don't speak the local language, navigation can be tough. But if you speak English, you have a universal safety net. English acts as the bridge language or of the tourism industry. It allows you to ask for direction, order food safely, and handle emergencies with confidence. More importantly, it allows you to make friends. Some of the most beautiful friendship you will ever experience could be with people who don't share your native culture or native tongue, but with whom you can share a laugh, a meal, and deep conversation because you both speak English. It breaks down the invisible walls of xenophobia and cultural isolation, allowing you to see the world through a lens of shared humanity. Let's look at this form. a scientific angle to learning to speak a second language like English is essentially weightlifting for your brain. Neuroscientists have proven that speaking multiple languages alters your brain structure in fantastic ways. It improves your cognitive flexibility, sharpen your problem solving skills, and enhance your working memory. Because your brain is constantly switching between two different vocabulary and grammatical system, it becomes highly adept at multitasking and filtering out distraction. There is even compelling medical evidence showing that being bilingual can delay the onset of cognitive decline and disease like Alzheimer by several years. So practicing your English speaking skills is not just a cultural or professional goal, it's a direct investment in your long term brain health. And let's not overlook entertainment and pop culture. Think about your favorite Hollywood movies, Netflix shows, chart topping songs, and video games. A massive portion of global entertainment is produced in English. There is an entirely different level of joy that comes from watching a movie without having to stare at the bottom of the screen reading subtitles, or listening to an emotional song and fully understanding the nuance of the lyrics in real time. You get to experience art exactly how the creator intended it, picking up on cultural idioms, subtle humor, and vocal inflection that are almost always lost in translation. I know the learning to speak English can feel incredibly intimidating. You might worry about your accent, you might get terrified of making mistakes, or you might freeze up when it's time to speak. But remember this: the goal of speaking English is communication, not perfection. The people you are talking to don't care if you miss a preposition or misuse a tense. They care about the ideas you are sharing. Every time you push past your comfort zone and speak up, you are expanding your boundaries. You are proving to yourself that you can master a difficult skill, which builds an unshakable sense of person confidence that spills over into every other area of your life. So, if you are been feeling discouraged lately, or if you have been putting off your speaking practice, let this be your sign to jump back in. The global economy, the endless vault of human knowledge, the thrill seamless travel, a sharper mind, and millions of potential friends are all waiting for you on the other side of fluency. Keep practicing, keep making mistakes, and keep showing up for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more motivation and tips, and drop a comment below sharing your biggest reason for learning English. I would love to hear your story. Until next time, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. That's from my side. Thank you.